Alright, as you can see, I'm on Screencast-O-Matic, and you can see how awesome it is. It hooked up to my microphone, and it's really cool. And as you can see, you can sign up for free. You can sign up for free and get started without anything. And then, of course, if you upgrade, you can get a lot more cool things. As you can see, it's for education, for work, for developers. And the pricing, here we go, pricing. Click the pricing. Oh wow, Solo Deluxe, only $1.50 a month, billed yearly. That is awesome. Recorder, video editor, oh amazing. And for $4 a month, you can go Solo Premiere. So you can see this is really, really economical. How can you beat that? $50 and you can record awesome things. Okay, so this is really good stuff. Alright guys, that was just a quick look at Screencast-O-Matic. Hope you enjoy, and we'll see you guys later.